Hello, everyone. So, I hope that everyone is keeping safe and healthy. We're starting with our first course on the deep learning, and we'll be using Python as the platform to do all the live sessions and all the labs. If you see, we have segregated the whole deep learning into a couple of different parts. So, we'll start with an introduction that will cover the important part of deep learning, going from little bit on, we'll go into first into the history of what is machine learning. We'll understand little bit on the supervised unsupervised learning, right? And then again we'll do some deep dive into the ENN architecture, which is based on, right, how from the logistic regression, the concept of the logistic regression, we are able to get into the artificial neural network architecture, and that will be our backbone in order to dive deep into the deep learning model and the frameworks. We'll also cover various aspects of the applications of the deep neural network in terms of use in various parts, like how this is used in the convolutional neural network. We'll also discuss on couple of cases, like use cases in terms of handwriting digit classification will also be there. Will if we get a time, we'll also see couple of important papers, right, that are very important on the CompNet, on the AlexNet, and how these are shaping the overall convolutional neural network that is one of the backbone for the computer vision. We'll also, once we are done with those, definitely we'll also touch upon the aspects of the TensorFlow and Keras. These are one of the one of the framework or model in order to work on the deep learning, and these framework are actually built with Python only. So because you are having Python with you, this will be very handy for you to deep dive, get into or make easy model and for your learning. So this will be there. You will be actually doing a lot of you will be learning a good amount of deep learning. You will be able to practice a good amount of different various cases, right? And this will help you to give a hands-on and some project-oriented approach to practice by yourself, see the beauty of deep learning, right? How we can actually giving you a lot of power in terms of getting or creating a lot of a lot of different layers to understand the hidden pattern behind the data, behind the image, behind the rest of the thing, to find out meaning and to extract the meaning out of it. So with that, all the best, and let's get ready for going more and more exciting feature or the world, I will say, the world of deep learning. Thanks.